अगर किसी किसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म का, जहाँ पे मैं क्रिश की बात करता हूँ, और भी कई फिल्में आई हैं जो सुपर हीरो पे बेस हैं, कोई एक किरदार अगर करना चाहें, आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मुझे, मैं इसका हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगा, तो कौन सी बॉलीवुड फिल्म होगी, या कौन सा वो सुपर हीरो जो आप करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक अगर महाभारत पे अगर कोई मूवी बनेगी, या अगर हाँ, oh he's already working on that. Okay, so I hope he's watching this interview then. पता नहीं यार, आई थिंक हनुमान जी शायद निभाना चाहूँगा मैं, या राम, या
Tiger, here, center. Hi, this is Nairita from T2. If Tiger Shroff is Spider-Man in real life, who is his Mary Jane?
oh, that's a tough one. Can I say Madhuri Dixit?
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Hi, Tiger. So I'm sure we all are really excited for Spider-Man, but there's also a Rambo coming in. And as soon as Rambo was officially announced, all of us was very excited, including the man himself, Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah.
So I really want to know, how are you prepping up for the character? What's the most challenging part for playing Rambo? And also, after being part of Spider-Man or Rambo, do you have any plans to do a Hollywood flick in future?
As for the prep right now, फिलहाल there is no prep, क्योंकि मुन्ना माइकल की promotion चल रही है, और उसके बाद I'm getting into Baghi 2, and उसके बाद I have SOTY 2. So Rambo is still far way off, but the prep will definitely be exhausting physically and mentally. खासकर क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा expectation है. It is a cult action film, and it is one of the greatest Hollywood legends, Mark. So I don't want to replace him, but I'm sort of just paying a tribute to him, just borrowing it for a bit.
Any plans to enter Hollywood in future?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I ever get an offer, but right now I'm quite happy with my lineup. How difficult is it? I'm sure it must be very difficult. I mean, मेरे से 10 गुना बड़े stars मतलब have done so much hard work to get there, जैसे कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा मैम और दीपिका. Both of them are such talented heroines and on the top of their games, and even they have to audition. So yeah, I'm still a long way off, I guess.
Tiger, right here. Nikita from Free Press. I would like to know, Tony Stark is a very sarcastic, very debonair character. So if somebody from Bollywood would be chosen to play Tony Stark opposite along with you, who would you choose?
Wow, Tony Stark. Maybe Akshay Kumar? I think he'd really fit the bill. He's really cool that way, and he's got a great sense of humor. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ho gaya? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Thank you.
So you had one more? Any more questions? Sorry.
Yeah.
There's one more
Yeah,
question.
Komal, go ahead.
Sorry.
Hi. Vivek, are there any special plans to promote the movie? Though obviously Tiger enjoys a huge fan following, but is there a specific promotional plan in place?
Absolutely. I think, for us, this is the biggest film, and the plans are, equally big as well. One of the key things is obviously, with Tiger's help, obviously we increase the reach of the film, get it down to like BNC centers as well, where, he's got a huge fan following. So therefore the film gets, a wider exposure. Besides that, we are also kind of, and you'll see it probably in a day or so, we are leveraging virtual reality technology to promote the film, where we're going to be putting up kiosks across various theaters, various malls, etc., where it actually virtually transports you into the world of Spider-Man. So fans can experience that and become Spider-Man along with that virtual reality experience. Plus, we are also kind of looking at, in terms of obviously regular media that we're obviously doing digitally. We're doing some very, very interesting, innovative stuff that you'll see. So all in all, I think our plans are pretty robust. Fact that we're kind of going out, in such large, we're going up with close to about 1,000+ screens in India. So I think to that extent, it just shows the scale of the film and our commitment behind it in that sense.
Tiger, one last question. Though there is a lot of excitement around Baghi 2, you would be teaming up with Disha for the first time. Considering the friendly equation that you guys share, would you be more at ease or say comfortable working with her?
Definitely. More at ease for sure, because we share such a great bond, and I'm very comfortable around her. So yeah, I think to answer your question, yes.
You said this is like a dream come true for you. Any other dream?
Half
that you
dream
have?
come true. Half other dream come true.
Yes. Any other dream that you would like to get fulfilled?
I want to be Spider-Man. That is my dream.
And what is-
yeah, and of course make. I mean, like every son would want to make his or her. Son or daughter would want to make his or her parent proud. I would want to just make my parents proud. That's the ultimate dream.
At least I can tell you that Aisha ma'am is extremely proud of you.
Chalo, I'm happy then. Thank you.
We should cross the bridge when the river comes. Thank you so much, guys.
मैम
and
बहुत ज़्यादा
now for the
काम है
photo.
actually. हकीकत ये है कि it's very tiring. But yeah, if I get the chance to and if schedule permits, I'd love to. If they offer me.